In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chat history on Gemini Erase Memories. If you've been chatting for a while and want a clean slate, or you simply prefer more privacy, clearing your chat history is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through deleting individual conversations first and then show you how to remove everything at once from your settings. Keep in mind that deleting is permanent, so take a moment to be sure before you confirm any removals. Start by opening your Gemini account. Make sure you're signed in and give the page a second to load your workspace. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see your list of recent conversations there. This is your chat history, organized so you can jump back into older threads whenever you need them. To remove a single conversation, hover over the chat you want to delete. You'll notice a small icon with 3 dots appear next to it. Click those 3 dots to open the options menu, then choose Delete. A confirmation prompt may appear to make sure you really want to remove that conversation. Confirm, and that specific chat will disappear from your list. This is perfect when you only want to clear 1 or 2 threads without touching the rest of your history. If you're ready to wipe everything, head to your settings. Look for the Settings option, usually accessible from the main menu or your profile area. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Activity. This is where your broader usage information and history controls live. Click Activity, then click Delete. You may be asked to confirm this action. Once you proceed, your activity, including your chat history, will be cleared. This is the fastest way to remove all your past conversations in one go. After you delete, give the app a moment to update. If you still see old items, refresh the page or reopen the app and check again. Remember, once deleted, chats can't be recovered, so it's a good idea to double-check you're clearing the right items. That's all there is to it. Open your account, delete individual chats using the 3 dots next to each conversation, or go to Settings, open Activity, and click Delete to remove everything. Keeping your history tidy not only helps with organization, it also supports your privacy preferences going forward. Thanks for watching, and take a moment now to clear what you no longer need.